Thank you for choosing Vibe Garage Door Repair. We appreciate you reaching out to us. Your request has been received, and our team is excited to assist you with your garage door repair needs in Sydney. At Vibe Garage Door Repair, we specialize in providing top-notch garage door repair services throughout Sydney. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart in the industry. Our team will review your request and get back to you shortly. We're here to help with any garage door issues you may have. Thank you once again for choosing Vibe Garage Door Repair. We look forward to serving you and ensuring your garage door is in perfect working condition. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have a wonderful day.